Let's have a look at one of the more advanced features within VirtusNova, the manual caption mode. I know that there are some people out there who will most likely always use the create guided post flow, since here you have this whole list of categories that you can choose from, etc., to really help you ideate and create the content. But some advanced users out there, which is why you might be watching this video, you will want to make use of the manual caption mode, because it just skips a whole bunch of different selections that user might need to make, such as here, the audience selection, the post category selection. Only then you get to the stage of selecting your social media channels. Then you need to generate an idea or pick one from the ideation library. Now, instead of doing all of that, assuming that you have a very detailed caption in mind already that you just want to be posting, what you would go ahead and do in this case is you just click on this arrow here and select manual caption mode. And then it's very simple. And then from here, what you do is you simply select the social media channels that you want to be posting to, you add the captions, and then you can go ahead and play around with this as you would generally as well. Adding your images, for example, here in this case, I'll just add staff members and then proceed with scheduling and or posting right away. Do note that, of course, you also still have access to the quick actions such as expand, shorten, casual, formalize, as well as rewriting the whole caption with AI. So you are still supported via VirtusNova's functionalities, but here you have a lot more in your own hand in terms of what you want this to sound like.